What I think we should do, here's the thing. We have some kids in some of our programs, we give them what's called strategy toolboxes. And strategy toolboxes just basically means that when a kid has a difficult time, they go and they have a toolbox of things that help them out. So for some of our kids who are in different programs, or even in our general classroom, our first, second, third, fifth grade, sixth grade, seventh grades, we say, let's build some tools. What would you use if you became frustrated, angry, upset, aggravated? What would you do? For our little kids, they have a little, little yellow and black toolbox with their name on it. And they go over to the shelf and they take the toolbox and they open it up. And in the front, they have a little list of things that says mad, angry, upset, I don't want to do the work, I hate the person next to me, whatever it is that they deal with. And then next to that, they have a little picture or a description, if they can read, of the tool that they use to help them ground themselves. And they open the bottom of the toolbox, and they're able to pick out little things that maybe help them pull themselves together. Now, don't we do that as adults? Don't we have tools that help us pull it together? I realize it's Friday. We step out, we take a breath. We might just say, hey, I'm just going to play a little game on my phone here. I might just do a puzzle. I might read a book. Whatever it is. We have these things that help pull us back together. Kids don't often have those things, so we want to provide those things. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.